Since that day we met, I knew it was true. I'm so lucky to have you. You fill my world with light and love, a blessing sent from up above. Not just tomorrow, but all my days through. I'm forever lucky to have you. The sky's colors shift and shine, like your love that's always mine. Every story, every smile makes this life so worth the while. You care in ways I can't explain, and every time it lifts the pain. No matter how much love I've known, with you it's deeper than I've shown. Since that day we met,